cross leg again. But me Davis, okay. Now I don't learn. So the day where you go invite me, come sit down here. Now me say my socks must clean.
Welcome back to As It Dey Hot, on top of the senior brother for the television stations when they inside Obodo the world, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. This na the only democracy when they on top of television. Sake of say, na the show of the people, by the people, and for the people. And na the matter wey concern all of us, we dey discuss. Ezugu Chukwudi Nkubi and two ogbonge visitors dey inside the studio, Oga Al Jafar and Oga Lanre, and we dey discuss how we go take fit repackage our Obodo Nigeria. Before I go that break, or before we go the break, I've been one carry one talk enter, say, okay, oh, everybody they happy, say, yes, finally we get president. When we say, you feel point them with your hand, raise your shoulder, say, that is my president. Because now when we say, we believe, say, if not to chop money, you know they in blood. If not to lie, you know they in blood. If not to use in office, take cheat people, you know they in blood. Now we can't get other countries when we say, they don't look, say, we can work with this man, we trust him. But these countries, now countries when we say, over the years, we don't see, say, their relationship with different countries when they inside Obodo the world, especially in French-speaking West Africa. If I want to use France as example, now the one of say, take this, give me this, take this, give me this, give me this, give me this. You see how many give me this they inside? Only two take this, but give me this, 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 give me this. So that they give you, that they collect. It can't be like say, as you they take, now so you they come out. As you they take, now so you they come out. What do you think? Say we as Nigerians go fit do? What our government go fit do so that we don't go get I go speak English, asymmetrical kind of relationship where we say we go just they receive. They go they take, and we don't go give them anything in return. They don't go consider us important.
What happen be say, you know, for this country, it's give and take. For this world, sorry, now give and take.
You rub my back, I scratch your
These
back.
Western people, they don't see person where they feel work with. Say this one, na integrity. They feel give you information where we say they know say you go act on it. And you know, the guy gets some kind of military background.
Exactly.
Before. So what we say, as him go there, he won't take something from them. If they ask and say, okay, I won't give you this, you give me this, make him look, give him committee, make them look and well.
Make them sample.
This thing go better my people, or you know go better my people.
Exactly.
Before they go take.
Make you know just collect them because say, now we Igbo man give me. Let me collect it.
Collect them before the Igbo man give me something, because we British king, we always respect them.
Not true, they show.
I don't know why. Because we be like them, we be human being, they be human being.
Exactly, we get sense, they get sense.
Make we not show complex for them. Make we show say, this is my country,
True.
now this thing where I want to do be this.
Exactly.
If you no want give me this thing, if you want say make I do this thing, I know they do.
Exactly.
But Oga Larry, going by what you just talked down, the idea of countries to say they want meet, they want at least exchange relationship to make sure say things work out for these two countries. Now, in the end, they will not say yes, we go offer you something, we also offer us something. And then the Western world, they will not say yes, they will go get people. We will not say yes, their own thing, their own demand, they heavy. Even if not through backyard they come, they heavy. But then, we can also look at the last administration, where of Oga Jonah, we see waiting play out. We say somehow we see say these international countries can they withdraw. They no can they get themselves involved in our activities. Because we will raise voice, they're not going to even answer us at all.
Exactly.
They just like say no lay us there, we dey alone. She know if you say, hey, maybe somehow, maybe somewhere behind the curtain, and now this same agreement thing, now no work out well, we make the car abandon. And what if this our president can't say, okay, I'm not going to give na this one. They can't still play the same game where they play with the last president.
You know, you get scene where dog go see, where they back. If dog no see something,
You know go back.
you no go back.
You know they just the training
So
voice now.
it be like say they don't throw something to am, and maybe no do those things wey dem throw to am. They can't say, this kind thing no go work. Because if you want help you and you are not ready to help yourself, what you want make we do?
At all,
So
nothing.
it's better we just withdraw and look. Make you dey do am the way we
Make we
want
dey do our own way.
Make you dey do our own. Make you dey do am. No be saying that we can't spoil the whole thing for you.
Not true.
Abi, Oga Jafar.
And make we no deceive ourselves. Because of the level of our development, and then the relationship of the African generally to the West, we are a little bit on the receiving end. Make we not deceive ourselves.
True.
And this idea, they go say, beggar, you know, get
Choice.
Yeah.
However, slavery time don't pass.
Everything don't change.
Now, grammar don't plenty for school. As this oga they go about, they meet these people. We want help them do so many things with full ground. Where our great leaders in the last 50 years don't contribute for them. Instead carrying his own advisory team, and then they weigh them. Even when they will submissive, mostly, because somebody will want to help you, will want to do things. Everything where this our guy want to do, we they look 4 years.
That's true.
So
Yes.
he go try, make him do so much for that 4 years. And if he want to go again, make him get reason to want to go again.
Exactly.
And so the issue say it must be equal basis and everything. No will fit work if you really want quick help. So he go do am, but he will do am with caution.
Exactly.
This one a matured man. This one na man we don't see everything. And this one na man where we say he will know how to play the diplomacy in the business world.
Very true.
Okay.
And to emphasize on what you don't talk, so that the thing go dey clear, we'll give example. A lot of Nigerians express their worry, say, as Oga Presido, they go USA that time. When they even talk, say, go there for Blair House where we say, you must be special visitor before you dey there. Say, it be like, say, Barack Obama, that 14 years something, he go bring him. He bring him. And our Oga Presido look him for eye, tell him, say, our people know they do this
That's
kind of
not
thing.
our
Thank you
culture.
very, very much. And he believe him, say, okay, well, you don't talk your mind and you don't talk him. If many people for the country say they don't want. So we believe, say, our Oga President na person wey say, as an elder statesman,
Oh yeah, diplomacy.
he go know when to say, you don't do,
go
and make we continue.
and he go get something done.
Okay, fine. Yes, make we bring am. Make we also ask this question. Fine, we get major things we will look at for say yes. Now these things we want address or want tackle. And now waiting they even prompt all these visits. We get the economy, we get the insecurity issue. We'll take it one by one. The economy of Nigeria at this stage, we go talk say they get small challenge. And one of the major reasons why we say we elect a president of this
Caliber.
yeah, exactly. Now for him to do it, revive our economy, make sure
Catalyst.
say at least he bring back our economy. At least even if you no make am complete this, at least we could see say yes, change is day. How this visit, when it comes to that, is what are those things with relationship we get with these people we go improve our economy?
We thank God for this man where they go, and because of the thing where then they call integrity where he get. Now him be the Maggi where they for the soup where they want cook. Now as him go there, the economy and investment and people wey will come with their money for obodo abroad, they go dey happy. So this one be like somebody wey be say if we put money down there and he say he go take and do orange, do banana, na so we go meet am.
Exactly.
Not be say he go collect chieftaincy title or he go dey wear agbada about. So he go bring confidence for investors.
Confidence, yes, confidence.
And small scale businesses and our banks go dey more serious to even give out loan. Where there is insecurity, where there is high level of corruption, no person, no matter how they reach, go wan throw him money away.
Very true.
Because you go dey look and say, well, if I don't want to get ourselves together now, wahala. So we thank God. So we get somebody where we say, if they attract good thing to the country. As in they go about, the economic team, they talk to them. We need basic social infrastructure to encourage enabling environment for you to invest. We need lights, we need good roads, we need hospitals, we need good schools, we need a healthcare system, a primary healthcare system. And the investors know that this country, they produce X amount of oil every day when they sell. If they throw their money there, and this man, where they see, you know, go chop am anyhow. Make we do am for him.
Exactly. Oga Jafar, you don't talk well.
Okay.
Oga Lanre, may I carry and come from this angle now. He been talk about basic social amenities.
Yes, sir.
When we say for every advanced society, it's supposed to
Na normal, na standard.
Everybody supposed to live for better house.
Yes.
Everybody supposed to wear cloth. Everybody supposed to chop. Make I come from this angle now. A lot of Nigerians, they leave this country, go obodo Igbo, because of certain things when they see. They believe, say, this place na land of milk and honey, and because of maybe those things no dey for this Nigeria. Now Nigerian go comot for this country, some go even go wash dead body for outside this country. They go wan do anything, something wey be say dem no fit do inside Nigeria, they go wan do am outside there. So this one show say in character the Nigerian dey very very, I don't know whether I go use industrious o, because if you get mind say omo this 2 + 2 naira must complete to 4 naira, e show say you get that mind. Now wetin be those things wey we go fit put in place for this our country, where we go start from, wey go make Nigeria from America say wow things are changing, let me rush back to Nigeria.
Wetin go happen be say na all of us get problem,
Responsibility.
and na we cause the thing wey dey happen for our country. Politician wan go become House of Reps or councillor, you go. If your daughter dey do wedding, you go meet am for domot, make you collect money. If your father die, you go meet am. When he reach there, wetin you go first do?
You go collect.
You go collect all the money wey you don invest
You go
now.
wan recoup.
So and na we come dey go dey blame them say dem corrupt. Person wey go Senate, wey be say he know say he don spend millions of naira give people for election, so he go reach there, the money wey he spend first,
capital.
now he wan put back. So the thing wey we go do, wey how we go fit do am, wey this country go be like obodo oyinbo, be say make you pick people wey be say you know for your area say this man na good man.
You sabi dem reach house.
Say we sabi dem reach house, number one. Number two, make we drop money for politics.
Too much.
The money wey person dey, na this country, I never see the kind of money wey dem spend. They dey do for London, they dey do election with dey there, and which
People
money
dey
they
go
spend?
work, people dey go
People dey go work. These people will just come to your house, they will knock your door. If you want to see them, fine. If you don't want to see them,
will drop something for your
they will
door.
drop their leaflets. Did there.
For London, no,
They
you don't
for
need to
London,
give them money.
You don't give them money, nothing.
They don't give you
but
money.
for here,
They go dey launch, they go dey gather money.
how we go fit tell these people, how we go dey blame them say dem steal money, we no fit. That's number one. Number two, governor wey be say e dey go Abuja go collect money every month, wey the money for use for the state, e go build just borehole wey you dey get for your house o, you go build borehole.
We go celebrate am.
People go do party, dem go celebrate am.
Dem go cut tape.
Dem don forget say na dem get that money wey him spend for them. No be say na him own money.
He's
not doing us a favor.
Yes. So they come turn am into emperor already. So in there or church, they looking for that. So you know they think say na you vote am. If you don't vote am, you no go reach there.
So this one wey dey talk now be say na our hand the power
Na
dey.
That's it.
But Chukwudi,
You can recall your councillor. You can recall
Yes,
your
yes.
senate. You can recall your House of Assembly. If you are aware of that, and you can put signatures down that you, Chukwudi, where we know, now you wan come become bad person, so.
Oga
Oga Jafar,
that
wait,
my name wey use do example, you no go.
example.
Make we take Ajibola dey call us from Osogbo. No dey tell me say they use my name for example. Use Nkubi do the example.
Ajibola, talk to us.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, well done, my brothers. All the thing wey una dey talk, na true talk una dey talk for here. And then God will continue help una.
Amen.
As una dey talk, and so it be. All these our politicians, not be their fault sometimes. Now we dey cause am. Person wey wan go serve us, we go demand money for am. Person wey be say maybe he have 1 million, 2 million for account, he will go borrow money, we go collect the money, and then you know how much wey wan see there, he go thief join the one wey he go borrow, he go pay back. And then we say I don't collect my own from am. He go collect am back now. He no be mumu now. So we dey cause many things for ourselves. So all we can advise Muhammadu Buhari is that may he continue to do in good work, because we don't need to changes now. Only that most people did not believe that this man is doing better things, because our electricity have improved. This short time we come now, people say I support to don't arrange for minister. Minister for what? You know, go see waiting there on ground before we go appoint ministers. So even Obasanjo just use about 2 or 3 months before
Oga Ajibola, thank you very, very much. Your own message now say make Nigerians they show support, and our Oga President go do him best to carry this our country.
Chukudi, I want to ask one question, and the question I want to say, okay, we don't look this issue. We know say yes, we get our own fault there. We get our that we cause with that more people where they cause this problem. But at the same time, make also be in mind say we get condition where our government don't place us, where they make us they say they make us they demand something from them. When they reach like election period, now then they say okay, me not take, buy rice, buy this, give now.
Because of say we dey suffer.
Exactly. But then when they come in, they will do it. They will the same way they complain about other countries. They will take the other hand, collect like 5. Okay. Now the same thing they happen.
Before Ogalari answer, make we take Oga Toba. Okay. Oga Toba, they call us all the way from Ondo State. Oga Toba, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Toba. Thank you very much, sir.
Oga Shukudi.
I dey hear you, Oga Toba.
And Oga Ekobi, I want to say una do well.
Thank you.
Like my first caller, we don't call Oga Ajibola, we don't talk something this morning. He first say, now we be the cause of the problem. Yes. I know say now we be the cause of the problem. But I want to make we do something. One thing dey for economics, we call them comparative cost advantage.
Oga Toba, just reduce the volume of your television so that we go hear you well.
I dey hear you. I dey. So
reduce the volume of your own TV so that we go hear you well.
Our 2 guest speakers.
Okay.
They have spoken well. Oga Lanre and Oga Abdul Jafar.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, they are doing fine. But I just want to make Oga Buhari do something. Wetin go benefit Nigeria. Some people don't do them, and it pays Nigeria. They don't do them. But the fact they say the environment we dey no permit make some things happen because of their selfish interest. So people who don't travel, some people then they come back close to that talk. Some people will appreciate that. But make Oga just stay away from political differences. Make it safe. Waiting is supposed to say, talking about the basic amenities.
Very true. Oga Toba, thank you very, very much. Make Oga put certain things in place so that more Nigerians go to come back to this country to give them the support.
May I finish up? So the essence of all this question, what has to be said, one, all these things, we know say we get our own problem together. Okay, how would they also do to strengthen the anti-corrupt system? So that now the corrupt system, that is like EFCC, could they checkmate these same people to know the way they respond? So that once they don't say this person did get of this, they will hold them responsible. At least we will come and say, so we even get right to the question them when the time reach.
The thing where happen be say for Obodo something where they call whistleblower. I say if you sell. Now they call Fofo. If you see a reporter, if you don't say your Oga is still reporter.
Make Oga Kazim from Kano no go report us to the governor. Say we not taking call. Oga Kazim, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kazim.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, my humble guest.
Good morning, God bless you.
Good morning.
There is one thing that I would like to contribute in this program today. One thing is like Nigerians always like to downgrade Nigeria all the time. Like for instance, Americans always what they do, they say God bless America. Why Nigerians not always used to mention God bless Nigeria? It is high time for Nigeria to start understanding that our prayers is what takes us backward. It's our prayers always like to move us forward. We always make bad comments to the leaders, and even every society that we are, we find Nigerians they are moving ahead. Why somebody would leave the country, moving to another country, follow law and order, and immediately you come Nigeria,
you will break those laws.
I could remember there is one time I happened to be in one country. Every single morning, whatever I'm buying, I have to pay a tax. You pay tax. Any school you go, you pay tax. There was a time that anywhere you see Nigeria with dollars. The citizens of that country, they don't even have that money. We ask, there is no need of interpretation. If you see any black man spending dollars, they will say it's a Nigerian. If you see any black man breaking rules or regulations with any national, they say it's a Nigerian. Why we Nigerians are always telling the whole world that we are corrupt, we are indisciplined.
Oga Kazim, very important point now you don't raise. And wait till you talk from the start, now me don't reiterate. Say Americans love their country.
They love their
People
country.
from different parts of the country love their country. They say, we must love our country. You don't talk
We don't love our country. Okay, we go, but we they come back from, say we they come from London or Paris. You dey inside plane. Where we say for there, that you go don't switch off your phone. Oh.
Exactly.
But once the pilot comes say, in about 20 minutes time, you go reach Lagos airport. You go see Nigerians, they don't put their phone. You go say, Pepe, no care.
They don't even stand up, they open
open compartment. The
And
plane
plane
sit
does
there,
not
oh,
stand.
say plane never land.
we get Prince.
No be we get the problem.
Ogala, you get Prince. Prince, they call us from Owerri. Good morning, Prince. Prince, good morning. Prince, you there? We don't, but right about now, from that this thing, call we will lose. Make we do it. Make we quickly enter market. Go know as market be, and we they come back. Yes, welcome back. The program now as it is hot and Chukudi day for house. And I will still get our Ogbon guests there for house. Oga Larry and Oga Al-Jafar. Will they look into the issue of Oga Buhari's visit to France and which kind of relationship we go to establish with international bodies to make sure, say, at least if we put Nigeria for that same level way we want make it day. Oga Larry, you be the, but before the say we supposed to get caller. I know whether the caller still there online. Yes, Ogo Biora, they call us from Yola. Good morning, Ogo Biora.
Yeah, good morning, good day.
We dey fine.
Our Bonga guys, good morning now.
Good morning, Oga.
You see what I want to go there? This our Oga travel. You know, it's too early for people to start praising this government. We have seen many governments before, and their promises. So at least we're supposed to wait. Maybe they 2-3 years for government before we will be praising them, shouting or calling on Moses, David, all these names. Because when you start praising somebody, the person will laugh. But when you continue criticizing, talking, the person will be energized to do more. So it's not. The travel is good because when you travel, you get more experience. And again, if our president will travel because of our education, it means that we are from nothing. Because the list of things that our Bonga is telling us that this is why President traveled to France and traveled to all the parts of the country. That means we are from nothing and we are going to nowhere. So I beg, make we stop praising them now. Make we wait and see before we praise. Thank you very much.
Oga Biora, very important point wey you don raise. As we dey always dey talk am here, say e dey very, very important, say, make we continue to dey talk. Because I dey always dey talk and say, it is not yet uhuru. If we just look, say, okay, everything not end, everybody can calm down, wahala go dey. And make we take Oga Bobby all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, good morning, sir.
Good morning. I greet all of you now.
Good morning, Bobby.
I want to say one thing then. Nigerians, now those of you now when they Nigeria, now that they cost, that is those of whatever travel outside Nigeria. Then they forget, say, when we went travel, if we dey abroad, if you check our friends, when be Nigerians, they not be the same place when we all come from. Would they mingle? Would they unite as one? We went there abroad here. If I tell you, say, I be data man. If I tell you, say, all my friends, man, now few, only 2 now be data. You not go leave. And then be people my place, I got Igbo friend, Port Harcourt friend, Ikwere boy, Shekiri, Ijo, everybody, you understand me now, we are now one. Because when we are abroad, we become one. But for Nigeria there, one thing when we say, the problem when we get, we say, would they look, say, okay, this is my person. What be your person? You understand me now? That's one thing when they cause the problem for Nigeria there. We'd always kind of say, oh, na Northern man, they rule now. Oh, na South, they rule now. Oh, na Yoruba man, they rule now. But we let them look to the say, okay, maybe this man do better thing. We see how okay, enough man where he come from, now not to start to what did he do for us? Maybe we will get to the look. Not be say, oh, through the room now. That's the problem we face mostly for Nigeria. You understand me? Now? So we get to look beyond that one and look to make that country better.
Very true.
And one again,
very important point we don't make.
Yeah, we learn something. You understand me now? We learn how the country, Europe, they operate. So we, that's what I get to contribute.
Oga Bobby, you don't finish talk for this matter. Oga Jafar and Oga Lanre, we'll just come back to this matter now. The way when the thing dey now, we don't already dissect the problem. We don't see everything when they inside. And for what we don't get now, as other countries they benefit from the relationship with Nigeria, we as Nigerians suppose they take advantage. We don't get situation when we say government not promise us say okay, all the things where we need to dey in place go dey in place. Now for us to come tap into this thing now. So when we talk about citizenship, leadership and entrepreneurship, because every Nigerian a businessman and now where you go better, not be through backyard, through legitimate means, now be the way forward. You get ideas on how Nigerians fit learn so that from our small business when we they do and the life when they live, we go fit they make better money for inside this country. When we say we no go they sleep, they close one eye or they fear say EFCC or ICPC they find us.
Thank you, Oga Chukwudi. That's one of the reasons why we of African British in diaspora has started an academy called African British Academy. If you go on our website, African British, just Google African British, you will see us on the website.
You don't speak English,
oh.
Did it not enter your body?
Now say this computer, if you put them to know how the academy did. And in this academy, where we start for Obodo, Nigeria, we they do leadership training, citizenship to be patriotic, and entrepreneurship to be able to start small business. Where we say even if you be shoemaker, if you be tailor, if you be barber, if you be events manager, if you be media people, like these are our Bongo people. Now you will get patriotism and you will be passion. I mean, when I say passion, when I say the thing where you love your country, you will love your country and love your work. For any man, for Obodo Oyibo to love you and help you, you yourself must love yourself.
Exactly.
If you see say you are feeling inferior, you feel complex. That's how you go help you. But when they come, you see say na shoulder high, and the thing where they talk, they make sense. When you talk about say this one I don't do, now this one remain where I want to do. You say, he don't try. I say don't do and reason. Now that's why we start this academy. And this academy there for our website. You will see our telephone number. Currently we still there for Lagos. We go soon beg this our guy here. Make we partner them. Make they help us help people say academy day. You don't need the BSc to qualify. So far you feel read and write. You go come be part of it.
Thank you very much, Oga Jafar. Oga Lanre, make we also hear your own view on this.
The team say, as Oga Jafar don't talk am now, opportunity they don't dey for Nigeria.
This one a great
opportunity. When you know say you no get job, make you know they complain again. Because government job no dey work sometimes. Because the civil service don't corrupt, don't work. They're supposed to just give them new orientation for that civil service. Because corruption wey dey there, it too plenty.
Quick one, you been mention that website. I don't know. Make we just
African British.
African British.
Just go
African British.
African British. You go come. So opportunity dey for you. If you want train anything you want train, you want to know about citizenship, leadership, entrepreneurship.
And this African, this now for Nigeria here.
Now we bring am from.
Now we dey call am.
Exactly.
We.
I know why you ask.
Another point beside.
I know why you ask that question.
What be the meaning of that?
You don't already dey type am for. It's a good thing.
Mind yourself. No.
Our people when they for us, they always they talk and say Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil.
Better.
Make all of us join our hand together to move our country forward. Oga Lanre, thank you. Oga Jafar, thank you. Say una carry waka enter our
Thank you very much. I really appreciate
it. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come on smoke inside Nigeria politic arrangement. Una bye bye. Fine Africa British. Fine Africa British. If I see you for there, if I see you there, you will see what I'll do you.
If you know say na just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.